Stop right now! Stop your car! You.
She just ran 58 car. She's taking off.
Copy, around 58 vehicle, taking off 1530.
He's on the rim now. He's swerving rapidly. He's winding off the road right. Going start at 52. He's way off the road. 1050.
Hello, everyone.
This is funny.
You call me off, did you? Huh? You called me off back there? Yeah, didn't you? You were recording me, huh? You called me off there, man. Huh? Call me off, you called me. Get out the car. No.
Where are you going? Where are you going?
No. You called me.
Okay. Video mo. It's okay. My car is messed up anyway. Video mo? Yep. Okay. I got her on video.
Na avenida aqui dos estados. Imagina. Pronto. Levou um... Glittering. Stupid.
Gotta love that instant karma. Too bad it got in everyone else's way, too.
They've been there the whole time, baby. Oh, look at this undercover right here. Unless he's lying. Oh, he's lying. This had his lights on and he turned them off. Wow. Yes. Karma. That was instant karma. You see him? He was flashing his lights driving on the shoulder, and as soon as he saw the cop, he turned them off and tried to...
Allez, range. Bien fait pour ta gueule, vas-y. Motard, allez. Oh, elle est magnifique. Elle est magnifique. Allez.
Tu l'as dans la dashcam? Tu l'as dans la dashcam ou?
Ouais, je l'ai dans la dashcam.
Appuie le marqueur.
Ah, tweet.
Good morning. How are you? Good. I'm Officer Iber with the traffic unit.
Okay.
We had a locate involving a theft that resembles your vehicle.
Oh, okay.
Okay. Do you have your license, registration? But from what I understand, the theft has been going on for like 3 years.
Oh, really?
So it's been some time, yeah.
Wow.
So if you wouldn't mind turning around for me.
I was just wondering if you would marry me.
Yes.
Okay. Here you go. I love you so much.
Love you too. You had to have me get pulled over. I was so nervous.
Thank you very much.
Sure.
Appreciate it.
I didn't mean to scare you.
Yeah.
Hey,